here's how to claim this in Animal Rivals. First thing is, you need to click this button. Oh, hold on. First, you need to click this button, and it will tell you a code right here. Do you see this code? Alright, so when it opens up your Discord, hit accept invite, and then, alright. Okay, so now that we're in the Discord, you need to scroll down and hit accept invite. Now it says opening Discord. Now, go to this Discord. Scroll down to commands right here, and hit /verify. Now hit enter. Now hit the one that says code. Now type in the code right here. Mine is 6822. It says a different one for you, but click on that. Verified. You'll get it next time you play. Now restart your game. And
How did you get Rampage Ramsey, man?
Oh, I'm very
cool.
also,
I accepted it.
that's how to join the Discord and get that. Also, just write a review. Here's your
I'm not
review
getting their
thing.
game. I want to be. Whatever.
Actually, that's for short. Bye.